Hello guys! Welcome back to this English course on nouns. In this video, I'm going to tell you about countable and uncountable nouns. It's very important to know the difference between countable and uncountable nouns in English, and students often get confused. So please listen to me very carefully. Let's get started. Countable nouns are nouns that you can count. Uncountable nouns are nouns that you cannot count. They're usually a type or a group, and they're always singular. Let's look at a few examples. Countable nouns, you can say a dog. You can say one dog, two dogs, three dogs, and so on. Man, you can say a man, two men. Idea, you can say one idea, two ideas, and so on. Computer, again, you can say one computer, two computers. And house, well, you can say one house, two houses, three houses, and so on. These are countable nouns, you can count them. But if we look at uncountable nouns, when you say water, you can't say one water, two waters. It doesn't make any sense. You cannot count water. Same goes for air. You can't say one air, two airs. It's just air. It's uncountable. Traffic, English, equipment, these are all uncountable nouns. You cannot count them, and they're always singular. Okay guys, now let's take a closer look at rules with countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So how do we know if a word is countable or uncountable? Well, there are a few tricks that can help. Let's look at these words. Some groups of words are very often uncountable, and this can help you. For example, liquids. Water, juice, milk, beer. All those words are uncountable. Powders, sugar, flour, salt, rice. Uncountable words as well. Materials such as wood, plastic, metal or paper. Food as well, like fruit, meat, cheese and bread. And finally, abstract ideas like time, information, love, and beauty. Another trick is that most of the time you can measure uncountable nouns. Let's look at examples. For example, if we take liquids, I have 2 liters of milk. Now, you cannot count milk, but you can measure milk and you can count liters. So you can say, I have 2 liters of milk. You can say, I have a glass of water. Or I have glasses of water, cups of coffee, bottles of water. So you can measure this uncountable noun. Same goes with powders. I have 1 kilogram of sugar, 2 kilograms of sugar. With materials and foods, we often use the word piece. For example, I ate 2 pieces of cake, or bread, or pizza, or meat or cheese. I need pieces of paper, wood, plastic, metal. Or I have some water. Some is an article that always works with uncountable nouns. Okay guys, I hope you understand. Let's move on. Some words can be both countable and uncountable nouns. Now, not all of them, but some of them. Let's take a look. I would like to eat some cake. I would like 2 pieces of cake. So in these 2 sentences, cake is obviously an uncountable noun. But if I say I would like to eat 2 cakes, suddenly it becomes a countable noun. Why? Because in the first 2 sentences, we are talking about pieces of 1 cake. In the last sentence, we are considering the whole cake, so it becomes countable. Another example, I would like to eat some chicken. I would like to eat a piece of chicken. Both sentences, uncountable noun, chicken. But the last sentence, I see 2 chickens. Chicken, in this case, is a countable noun. Why? Because in the first 2 sentences, chicken is food. But in the last sentence, chicken is an animal. So the animal is a countable noun. Chicken is food is uncountable. Hope you get it. Let's move on to example sentences now. Let's now review a few example sentences so you can practice using countable and uncountable nouns. Please repeat after me and be careful to use proper pronunciation. Let's get started. First sentence, guys. I put 100 candles on 6 cakes. Please repeat after me. I put 100 candles on 6 cakes. I put 100 candles on 6 cakes. Good job. Second example. I ate 2 pieces of cake. Repeat after me. I ate 2 pieces of cake. I ate 2 pieces of cake. Next sentence. I saw some trash on all the streets. Repeat after me. I saw some trash on all the streets. I saw some trash on all the streets. Very good. Next one. I need to buy some milk and some butter from the market. Please repeat after me. I need to buy some milk and some butter from the market. I need to buy some milk and some butter from the market. And finally, traffic and pollution are problems in many cities. Repeat after me. Traffic and pollution are problems in many cities. Traffic and pollution are problems in many cities. Good job, guys! I hope you repeated after me and worked on your pronunciation. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you now have a better understanding of countable and uncountable nouns. I know it's hard, but don't worry, keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching my video and please watch the rest of the videos. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you've liked it, please show me your support by clicking like, by subscribing to the channel, by putting your comments below and sharing this video. Thank you very much and see you!
And do it.
Countable nouns are nouns that you can count. Okay, so for example, if you say a dog, you can say a dog, 1 dog, 2 dogs, 3 dogs. You can count them. Uncountable nouns.
Stop, you gotta slow down.
I'm sorry. Why am I going so fast? Okay, sorry.
Slow down, take your time, make it a good video, okay?
Countable nouns are nouns that you can count.